Feature: remove eye pouch, reduce wrinkles around eyes, lips, forehead and neck, activate skin to keep moist and elastic through vibration, massage. Help in skin blood circulation. Vibration massage therapy is an extremely hit beauty technology and has been a sensation in skincare tools operated by 1X AA battery not included, weight, 90.0 grams, Beauty Bar 24K Black Pulse for skincare. It's made of brass, aluminium and uses AA battery. It's waterproof, so you can use it during bath or shower. Designed with a 24K black-plated germanium T-bar, creating an antimicrobial surface for safe contact with your skin. Fully waterproof design, can be used with cosmetics massage. Can promote the maintenance of skincare products, better absorption, with bath lotion, massage the whole body, can promote the skin metabolism, promote the maintenance of skin more tender. Package included, 1X Beauty Bar Face Massager, 1X Packing Box, 1X Pouch. Friendly customer service always here to help. Feel free to email or call with any questions or concerns. 100% money back guarantee. Buy with full confidence and peace of mind. If you're not 100% satisfied, send it back for a refund within 90 days of purchase. Easy to use, providing a gentle massage to the skin. Twist on/off activation. Electric power driven, stable performance, good circulation, easy to use. Requires 1 AA batteries, not included. Vibration frequency, about 7,000 times/minute. Always use the material of the best quality, 24K black surface, special treatment, compact and waterproof. It is safe and efficient to promote the blood circulation. Anti-aging device, activate skin cells metabolism, restore skin firmness and elasticity, preventing the aging, enhancing immunity. After sales service, quality problems occur within 1 year. Replacement, lifetime warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, then contact us and we will give you a 100% refund within 90 days of purchase. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.